Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Chefhandy Baby Food Maker, a 5-in-1 powerhouse designed to simplify meal prep for your little one. This versatile baby food processor combines steaming, blending, auto and manual blend options, and even a bottle warmer function, making it perfect for preparing nutritious meals from fruits, vegetables, and meats while also maintaining milk at the ideal temperature. The stainless steel steaming basket is uniquely designed to lock in nutrients and control moisture, ensuring your baby gets the most out of every meal. With intelligent operation features like a smart touchscreen control panel and clear countdown timer, achieving the perfect food consistency has never been easier. Safety is a top priority with advanced features such as a water shortage reminder and dry burning prevention, all crafted from food-grade PP material to ensure your baby's food is safe. Plus, the comprehensive accessories include a handy recipe book to guide you in creating delicious meals, all backed by a 2-year warranty and round-the-clock customer support. Experience the convenience and peace of mind that comes with the Chefhandy Baby Food Maker, your ultimate partner in parenting. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.